Good to see your faces, guys. I told you there will be surprise guests every single night, right? Tonight, I brought a special friend that I met in the United States. You have no idea who he is, right?
It's me!
You know, I had so many people say, I'm the him of Asia.
Who? What?
I think he's the JYP of the States. What do you think? Who is it? Yo, come on, show your face, man. I don't want to say your name. Come on. So, I want you to understand something. Rain and me, anybody, basically we're trying to do a big movement. We want to connect Asia and the United States. I think we can bring something nice to the United States. And I think definitely I can bring back some great stuff with me to Asia. That's what we're trying to do. Say hello to our fans, dog. What's up? How y'all feeling out there? I want to just say that I had to come and see this for myself. I have so much respect for the Asian American movement that's going on here. I have so much respect for my Asian brothers and sisters. I love y'all. Thank y'all for supporting me, and also I'm a fan of the culture. That's most important. We all have to be open minds to understand each other's culture. So I'm here tonight as a fan, and thank y'all for having me. I love y'all. Thank you. And also, this is the first Asian Sean John model right here. Rain, it's official. Let's do it. Are you ready?